How to download and install iTunes on Windows. iTunes is a media player and library software that lets you manage and enjoy your music, movies, TV shows, podcasts and more. You can also use iTunes to sync your content with your iPhone, iPad, or iPod, or access the iTunes Store and Apple Music. If you want to download and install iTunes for Windows, you can follow these steps. To download iTunes for Windows, you can go to the Apple website and click on the download button for iTunes for Windows. This will take you to the Microsoft Store page where you can get the iTunes app for free. Alternatively, you can go directly to the Microsoft Store on your PC and search for the iTunes app. To install iTunes for Windows, you need to run the installation file that you downloaded from the Microsoft Store or the Apple website. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the installation process. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions, choose a destination folder, and select some options. To start using iTunes for Windows, you need to launch the app from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. You can sign in with your Apple ID to access your music library, iTunes Store purchases, Apple Music subscription and more. You can also connect your iOS device to your PC with a USB cable and sync your content with iTunes. Learn more. 1. Download and use iTunes for Windows 10, Apple support. https://support.apple.com/n-a/ht210384. 2. iTunes, Apple. https://www.apple.com/iTunes.